Hi, it's Annie here. Does your fence look like this and need a little bit of love? With stain, you can completely transform it, and I'm going to show you how. But the first thing we need to do is start cleaning it. If you want your stain to last longer, cleaning your fence before applying any stain is necessary. There are two ways to clean your fence. You can manually clean it, or you can pressure wash your fence. If you're going to manually clean your fence, you can use a product like this. If you have a lot of staining, you can use a stiff brush after applying the solution. Scrub each board one at a time. Brushing the fence works for those fences that are lightly dirty. And this method is also fairly gentle for the wood because you can use as little or as much force as you want. This brush and solution worked great on the fence, but if you have a large fence, this pressure washer is going to make it go 10 times faster. The goal is to use the least amount of pressure necessary to remove dirt and gunk from your fence. Start with a lower PSI and adjust to a higher level if you need more pressure to wash the dirt away. Using too much pressure can damage your wooden fence. When you spray your fence, start at the top, going down on each board. Work on small areas of the board until they are thoroughly clean. Aim your sprayer at an angle or use a 25-degree nozzle. Keep the nozzle 3 feet away from the panels and move in closer 1 or 2 feet to get rid of that hard to remove dirt. It's important to keep the wand moving, and aiming too long at a single point can cause damage to that wooden surface. Wow, here's the fence side by side. What a difference! The cleaning is complete. Now I'm going to wait 48 hours before I start staining. For more staining videos, keep watching.